are going to love the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capabilities. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated front seats, fog lights, compass, trip computer, security system, power windows, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.